IELTS vocabulary, understanding antiseptic. Imagine you're in a hospital, surrounded by the sharp scent of cleanliness. That distinct smell? It's likely coming from antiseptics, our topic for today's IELTS vocabulary lesson. Word type: antiseptic can function as both a noun and an adjective. Meaning, as a noun, an antiseptic is a substance that prevents the growth of disease, causing microorganisms. As an adjective, antiseptic describes something that has the properties of an antiseptic or is extremely clean and free from contamination. Word history: the term antiseptic comes from the Greek roots anti, meaning against, and septikos, relating to putrefaction or decay. It was first used in the mid-19th century when the importance of sterile conditions in medical procedures was beginning to be understood. Antonyms. Antonyms for antiseptic include septic, contaminated, and infectious. Synonyms. Synonyms for antiseptic include disinfectant, germicide, and sterilizer. When used as an adjective, synonyms might include sterile, aseptic, and hygienic. Examples used in sentences: the surgeon carefully applied antiseptic to the incision site before beginning the operation. The laboratory maintained an antiseptic environment to ensure the accuracy of their experiments. Her writing style was criticized for being too antiseptic, lacking warmth and motion. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing antiseptic with antibiotic. While both fight against microorganisms, antiseptics are applied externally, whereas antibiotics are typically taken internally to combat infections. Another error is using antiseptic too narrowly. While it's often associated with medical contexts, it can be used more broadly to describe any extremely clean or sterile environment, even metaphorically. Mastering the word antiseptic not only enhances your medical and scientific vocabulary, but also provides a powerful descriptive tool for various contexts. Whether you're discussing health practices, laboratory conditions, or even describing a particularly sterile atmosphere, antiseptic is a versatile term that can elevate your language use in the IELTS exam and beyond.